everybody, and welcome back to another Weather Guide video. Today we're going to have a quick video on Winter Storm Carter, which was named overnight last night, but I was sleeping, so I didn't get to cover it right away. So basically with this storm, all the snow will be in Nebraska because the low pressure is stalling out over Nebraska area, maybe right on the state line. But all the snow is wrapping around, and that'll really pack in some heavy snow totals. Before I start this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Comment in the comment section down below. And later, I have some big news for the channel. But let's get into it. Here is the NAM 3-kilometer model. We're going to go by, because this is going to happen very fast. Watch that low pressure with the 993 on top of it. For a Central Plains storm, that is already very strong. It continues to move very slowly, and you can start to see some snow in the Rockies and a little bit in Nebraska. And as that low moves north, more snow is going to come into Nebraska. And all that rain up north is going to switch over to snow. And then you can see those really heavy snow bands start working into Nebraska. And that's really where we're going to see the heaviest snow totals. And then you get it keeps spinning around, and then you get a thin snow band moving up north into Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, and then you can even see, since the low pressure is pulling in all that rain and snow, you can even see snow in Missouri. And you keep going, and you could see maybe a little bit of snow in like Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, but that's mostly a rain storm for the East Coast. And then you have a lot of thunderstorms in the south with this storm. Just look at all those reds. I mean, I'm not going to get all the way into that because they're already in the storm. So I'm looking at the model from all the way this morning so I can get the entire storm. So I'm not going to get into all the thunderstorms, but there's a lot of thunderstorms with this storm. And then that thin band pushes into Quebec, Ontario, and then there's a little clipper that's left behind in Illinois, Michigan, Wisconsin, maybe a little bit in Indiana and Ohio, but that is all that there is for this loop of the storm. Now let's go throughout our snow totals. Oh, don't want that. All right, so as we go along, you can see, just watch Nebraska, really, because that's where most of our snow totals are going to be. And you can see how it's just going to revolve around there because the snow totals kind of go in a circular pattern. And you can already see some spots getting over a foot of snow. And then as that moves on, you'll get more up north. So at the end of the storm, you have Nebraska getting up to or over a foot. Iowa getting like 6 inches. Southern Minnesota, you can get 4 to 6 inches. With the southern 3/4 of Wisconsin, you can get 4 to 6 inches. The UP and the northern half of lower Michigan, you can get 4 to 6 inches. Ontario and in the Montreal area of Quebec, you can get 2 to 6 inches. Maine, you can get up to 6 inches. New Brunswick, you can get up to 8 inches. So a very widespread storm, but really the focus is this area right here, because that's where that circulation is going to happen. Again, this is all done by, I think, -4, by 7 a.m. tomorrow. That's when by 7 a.m. tomorrow. That's basically when the storm ends. So, from today into early tomorrow, to get a foot of snow in that amount of time, with a consistent snow rate, is pretty astonishing for a storm like this. For a nor'easter, it's pretty common because it's getting all that moisture from the Atlantic Ocean. But for something that's generating see that this did come from the Pacific Ocean, but it really builds up over the Central Plains. So that really makes this a very unique storm. So on that note, that's the end of that. But I've been asking for suggestions for a 50 subscriber special, but I came up with one myself. And it's not just one video, it's a whole series. It's a whole series. You might be saying, what's it called? It's called Weather Explained. And to tell you more about that, there's going to be seasons. I'm thinking like 2 seasons a year of Weather Explained. I literally explain weather phenomena that might impact your area. It might not, but there's still cool weather phenomena that happen every year. So stay tuned for that. I'm thinking first season's probably going to come out after the holidays. And if you celebrate Hanukkah, happy Hanukkah. That starts this weekend. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.